Good morning.
Good morning, brother.
What's your view on Igbo Moscow and the presidency have not
said anything about it?
Make any comment condemning that, except for a few speech he made. You know, what does Igbo Moscow agenda portend for Igbos in Nigeria?
This is exactly what I was educating some people on early this morning. I was telling them about the issue of Igbo must go and what is behind it, their intentions. You understand? You remember it was there for yesterday. That was the deadline. They gave the Igbos that immediately on the 20th, from that time they will start the protest against Igbos, that Igbos must leave Lagos. Oya asked me the meaning of that, that they should not be involved in protest. And the Igbos had said it earlier on, that they will not be involved in any protest. Why? That they are no more interested. During the election 2023, we are saying it. See who you are supposed to vote. Leave this one. See what you're supposed to do. Release this guy. Negotiate. Let everybody vote according to your conscience. Whoever that wins should be elected, should be allowed to govern. And you know what happened in 2023 election? How they just messed everything up about the election. You understand? And now this guy said it is his turn. It's my turn to govern. Now they allowed him to be there. Not that he won. He didn't even come third. They allowed him to go there. And see what they are doing. He said removal of subsidy. Now subsidy has been removed. Where is the country? Look at insecurity. Look at everything. Every aspect of our life here is being messed up. Now people are agitating. People are saying they want to protest against the evil governance he's bringing onto the table of Nigerians. Now they are threatening Igbos, not even the people who are organizing the protest. It is the Igbos. The Igbos must go. 20th, did they start anything? Say Igbo must go? No. Because of what? The Igbos in diaspora brought hell. Those guys in the riverine areas threatened the West. The Igbo youths threatened the West. Simon Eba threatened the West. Almost all the whole ethnic groups in the country threatened the West. Then, you know the thing that threatened them most? Those guys in the eastern region. They said they don't mind them. They don't mind them in the West. That let something start, they will see. That they will arm, they will proliferate arms everywhere here. They will spread it everywhere and they will make sure here becomes Sodom and Gomorrah. You know, after that threat, they know it wasn't ordinary threat. You know, Igbos don't threaten people anyhow. They only concentrate on their business, doing it. When the Igbos are put to the wall, you will see them react. They will react normally. Excuse me, there's something I posted recently about a survey. They call it the most vibrant, economically, tribe, ethnic group in the whole of black race. Igbos. It's not a joke. Igbos are everywhere in any corner of the world, doing well. Not that they are there ordinarily. They are there doing well. Go to anywhere, any community. I'm not saying city. Any community in any country. You see Igbos owning hotels, owning big companies, doing well. You understand? You look at this kind of people, you want to threaten them easily. Why? Do you know what you're talking about? Do you know that world economy is in the hand of an Igbo woman? The world economy. Okonjo Iweala. And you are looking at those people as who? Ordinary people? You can push over. How? Now look at the agitation. Do you know this agitation you are seeing is majorly the cause of the problem now, economic problem you are having? The agitation of the Easterners. Nigerians are biased now. All these ethnic groups that I used to say who are the Igbos, they are all biased. You know what the northern elders, through PDP, what they did? The outcome of their meeting yesterday, they said they want to support Jonathan.
Why would they support Jonathan?
2027.
An Igbo man.
Yes, they are avoiding Igbos.
Why?
You know why?
Why? I want to know.
See, they want Jonathan that will govern. He wouldn't rule. Jonathan will govern within a space of 4 years. and drop power. And immediately Jonathan comes in there. They have weighed him and understood that Jonathan is like, you know, he has a soft mind. That they will give him some tensions, trouble him, and quickly, you know, before enough 2 years, 3 years, he will hand over to them. They will then, you will see what they will call, what they will bring on the table of Nigerians. It will be more than Pharaoh. You understand? Because they have learned something, the Northerners. So now they are scared. You know why Igbos? See, the Igbos didn't partake in this protest. He has two phases. One, they are looking for a way. If Tinubu governs, rules for 4 years, he will drop it to them. An Igbo man will rule another 4 years. And this thing can work depending on how the Westerners look at it. If they consider it okay. Then, if Tinubu doesn't agree to hand over to them 2027, the problem will continue. It will be more than that. It will beyond anybody. It will beyond anybody. Now, my brother, Nigeria is completely trapped. You know why they are seizing Nigeria property? The property of Nigeria everywhere. They seized one in Canada, I think yesterday or day before yesterday. Paris, America, another one. They are putting houses of Nigeria houses on sale.
In Liverpool.
You know why? You know, some people don't think deeper. Okay, normally, since how many years back, if Nigeria is owing any nation, do they go and impound our property and put it for sale forcefully? They don't do that. They will collect it normally. Now they are being treated. They know that Nigeria is like anything can happen any moment. Do you know that Simon Eba, this IPOB, they have gone for very, very far. People don't understand what they are doing. You understand? So many international bodies have seen that these people are going out. This place might break up anytime. And what is going on here has come to the notice of all international communities. Unlike before, they have seen that this place is like animal kingdom. You understand? They go, wow, is this place? How is being governed? Yeah, before they no, British people hide everything so that international community will not notice what is going on here. Before they don't show anything concerning Nigeria on CNN. You can't watch it. I know many of our people here don't know that. Go on your CNN. Think back. They will never show you anything pertaining to Nigeria before. Both Buhari time, Abacha time, Babangida time, they don't. Britain did it that way. But now the thing has gone beyond their grip. Britain now has a very big problem at hand. You remember Nnamdi Kanu laid cause against them. Even Queen of England. All of them. Do you know, I've been telling, let me call it that way, teaching people. They don't know what is called man of God. They think it's only that Oyedepo them. Nnamdi Kanu is a pure prophet of God. You know, olden days, prophet of God, they don't carry Bible. They say the truth. You do know, small time from now, within 20 years time now, Bible will be phased out. Bible becomes human being. You know, we are the Bible. We are the word of here. This is the church. So all of us will know the truth. You will say the truth. Say it as it is. That's what Nnamdi Kanu stands for. Nnamdi Kanu is not a stupid man. His father, mother dead. Many people dead around him. He doesn't care. He's going there. Like Mandela, I want to go there. See, these people must be done. This freedom must be guaranteed. It was granted to these people. My people, even if I die, see you here. That is what is that is love. The highest love is that thing you see. That is the highest love Jesus, our God, gave us. You understand what I'm saying? So my brother, to cut it short, Nigeria is like in a shambles. It's almost gone. That's why you see China, they are impounded. America granted it. They sanctioned whatever. They say, go ahead. Go ahead. You know, Oga, can you people calm down and reason much about that thing, that move? International community are the ones doing that too. It's not China per se. It's international community. They are granting China. Go ahead. Go and impound there because this place is not a nation.
American government.
Go because anything can happen at any moment. Remember that they want to declare Biafra independence on 2nd of December. You know, say that thing is not a joke.
Yes, we have seen 2 congressmen from America.
I know their names.
Like that,
supporting supporting. Elon Musk is aware. Elon Musk is aware. So many of them. Trump is aware. All of them are aware what is going on here. So they are not supporting it. They are against here now. That's why you see American government saying courts ordering them, sanctioning that move for you, impound their property and sell it and recover your money quick. If Nigeria has a long time to go, they wouldn't do that. They know that life of Nigeria has been shortened. It's very much short. They know. If you tell some people, they lie. Watch. Oh yeah, let me tell you this. Some people don't go that way. The maker of everywhere. You know what is called? Everywhere has no beginning and end. Everywhere is the nature. And nature is God. Who is God? In manifestation of flesh, Jesus, our Christ. See, he made here that he has everything. He made here has powers. There are spirits he put here, controlling here. There is a special spirit called karma. Karma is a spirit. Do you know there is a spirit like stealing? If you steal, there is a spirit covering stealing. There is a spirit covering lying. There is a spirit. Everything has powers. We call it powers, but they are all spirits. Election has, God say we should gather, elect a leader. When a good one is there, that the land will prosper. When a bad one is, say people will suffer. Hey, elect good one. He won us. You know, some illiterates here say there is nothing like election in the Bible. You know, they don't know. Everything happening here is in the Bible. See, when they rig election here, when they do election, conduct election, they rig it. I tell people here will suffer. It's not of God. Rigging, you are not supposed to pray for a rigger of any election. It is not from God. It's like you praying for armed robber who robbed and keep pregnant with people in the bank, collected, carry money, carted some billions of money away, and say pray for them. No. See, you know why? Some people misunderstand what God said, forgive. There are places you don't forgive. You understand? Like this. You know why God didn't forgive Satan, Lucifer, all those demons and priests? Why not ask yourself that thing? You know, God made us in His image and likeness. There are places you say, come, enough is enough. That's why I say, if you know this thing wants to make you go to hell, cut it off, cut your hand, pluck your eye out. When they conduct the election, they rig it. Don't pray for that person who rig it. Lay curse upon him. That's where you see Elijah laying curse upon the president, prophesying he should die. All these pastors misleading all of you Nigerians. They are all fake, telling you pray for a rigger, pray for a fraudulent man, people who kill for them to be elected, for them to enter the power. You say you should pray for them, knowing that these people and they are not coming from Jesus' side, the truth side. They are worshiping Satan. They are so worshiping falsehood. You don't pray for falsehood. No, you don't do that. Once they rig election, people, men of God, are supposed to say, hey, reject it. Reject this thing. So children of God will come and protest like Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego. You see what they did? You don't know. Go and check Bible. What makes people to be called children of God? They reject evil. When they tell you, say, obey, you say they obey this by force. No, you say, no, I'm a child of Jesus. I don't do that. You understand? You're supposed to come publicly. That was why they used to prosecute children of Jesus that time. Hang them, Peter, turn them outside, and you understand. But the truth remains, still flow. See, let me tell you people, in this country, we should be rejecting evil. Anytime they conduct any election, they rig it. No, we don't agree. Because it's not from God. The absence of God will be there. Do you know what is called hell? Hell is the absence of God. The absence of peace. The absence of love. The absence of joy, prosperity, life, which is Jesus. The absence of Jesus. Anytime you do anything that Jesus says you should not do, He will move away from there. You move away. God is not here. Some people say pray. Any pastor tell you to pray for Tinubu, that man is not a pastor. You don't have to pray for them. What you say is to prophesy against them. Let them see everything they sow, they will repeat. Karma will come in. Do you know we need to prophesy against them so that they will meet their death fast? But they are not prophesying against them. If Nigerians now be holding prayer against president or this president, they will die fast. You know, God don't allow you. If you don't do that, God will leave Tinubu then to live 30 years. Suffer all of us. The thing is in our hand. He said life and death is in our tongue. Let us activate that karma spirit. What they have sowed here, let them repeat fast in our presence. Let them repeat fast. The karma spirits are here watching. It's only us to activate them because, you know, whatever we say will come to pass. He said life